Hi, I'm May and I'm a product designer, and this is our Silicon Lunch Pocket. b.box and our global community are increasingly aware of ways that we can help protect the environment. Parents seek products that are kinder to the earth. Many schools have now banned single-use plastics from student lunchboxes. So we set to design a safe and reusable solution that provides the same convenience and benefits as cling wrap, protecting the food and earth at the same time. Made from long-lasting food-grade silicone, our lunch pocket is a durable, reusable storage pouch. That means less reliance on single-use plastics. Large enough to fit a sandwich, wraps, or sushi hand rolls, it is also handy for carrying snacks such as popcorn or rice crackers. Fridge and freezer safe, parents can pre-prepare lunch in advance, then chill and store when needed. When not in use, the silicone lunch pocket is easy to wash and dishwasher safe. Roll and secure with the easy-to-use tab for next time. Beautiful opaque colours mix and match perfectly with our lunch and hydration range.